Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. To learn more about video editing and some unraveled secret of video editing, please kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell so as to be notified of my next upload. So log into your WEEBLY account from www.weebly.com. So here you sign in to your account. So when you sign into your account, it takes you to this page. This is page where they display your domain names, your site. You can have more than one site in the same hosting. So select the site you want to edit. Then click edit site. So here we take you to the editor's page. And you actually customize and edit and design your site. So at the top corner you have settings, apps, theme, pages. So click on the settings. This takes you to this settings page. You have the general settings. So you can see your site title, site address. So we just scroll down to archive. So here you're going to input your email, any email. Not necessarily the email you use to set up the account, any email that is valid. So you're going to input the email, and after inputting the email, just click on email archive. So they will automatically email a link to your email where you get to download your site. So you check your email box and you will see the download link. But sometimes this download link doesn't work. So what do? You come to the settings again from the editor's page. At the point where you email the archive. So here you're going to locate the recent exports. So just click on the link and you will have your site downloaded successfully. Thank you for watching this video.